What is up, guys? Welcome to the sweet outdoors. Back porch. Got some overcast, some ripping wind. The temperature is nice. Got one for you today. Clearance aisle of the store. You know what I'm talking about, guys. Check your clearance aisles. I've said it 100 times. Well, maybe not 100 times, but I've said it. Check your clearance aisle. Got one for you today. I've been doing a lot of fishing lately, bringing it to you with the videos. So we're going to do a review on some angler combo fishing gear. Stick around, guys. Okay, what are we talking about? Well, like I said, I was in the store and I go down my clearance aisles often, and I've seen this when it was regularly priced, and I was like, maybe, nah. But then it went on clearance, so yeah. Boom! 6-piece Realtree angler kit. Normally 20 bucks. Got it for 15. Why not? Save $5. Got some cool little stuff in here that might come in handy. So let's cut it open and see what we got here. I figured with the fishing that I'm actually starting to be able to do, might as well cover some fishing items. All right, first things first. Really, I guess they're okay to keep in your pocket, put on your keychain. You know, they got some little cutters there. They can cut your line. A little small pair of needle nose pliers. Got some little, this is supposedly, this is a 9-in-1 multi-tool, because you got some little things up in here, like, yeah, really. Gimmicky, I guess, is what I would call it. They're not really durable. I mean, you can't really do much with those. Small pair of needle nose pliers, maybe get a hook out of your finger. But okay, I had a pair of these years ago, and I think I gave them to my kids when they were little. You know, so it's a cool thing for a kid. Okay, it's a sheath. Yeah, it's for a knife. Duh. Here it is. Flex blade, look at that. Realtree fishing fillet knife. And apparently this is adjustable. Check that bad boy out. Wow. 5-inch, 6-inch, 7-inch, and 8-inch. There you go. There's as big as it gets right there. That's 8-inch blade, apparently. Bad boy sharp. It's flexible. Perfect for skinning, filleting those big fish. Take her all the way down to 5 inches for the smaller fish. That right there, I think, is pretty cool. How durable that's going to be, I don't know. It locks in the sheath pretty good. Sheath's got a drain hole, got you a belt loop. Perfect for wearing out on the boat. That's actually pretty cool. I like that, guys. I like that. Okay. 15-in-1 angler snips. My God, that's a pair of scissors on steroids. but you got some crimpers here for all your different, you know, split shot sinkers and stuff. Flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, bottle opener, pliers, needle nose type. You got some fish scalers there, and they are scissors, working scissors. Cord cutter right here. I really don't know what the purpose is of taking them apart like this. If you know, drop a comment and let me know. But okay, that's pretty neat, I guess. Like I said, that's scissors on steroids. And here's a little plastic sheath for it. Cover. Now that's pretty cool. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Fishing towel and fillet glove. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I go fishing, I take a hand towel with me all the time. This is a cool little terry cloth rag, which is pretty cool. It's so soft. Definitely gonna hold on to that bad boy. And this is a fillet glove. Okay. I'm gonna tell you right now, I do not like it. Size large. One size fits most. Steel mesh material, which means it's cut resistant. I'm not gonna cut myself just to see. I'm gonna take their word for it, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I will never use this. Some people do, some people don't. That's all that's in there. Let me put this right here back on our steroid scissors. Lastly, but not leastly, something, I dropped something, I don't know what it was. A folding cutting board. Check this out, guys. Boom. Got your little thing right here, your little clip right here to hold on to the fish tail. Folds up about half size to store away. Got, I don't know if you can see it here, but there's a ruler to measure. Yeah, all the way up to 19 inches. And on the other side, they've got the metric system. That's pretty neat, you know. Being a folding, you know, it's not sealed right here, so it would definitely make a mess. So don't clean fish anywhere you don't want to mess. You should know that already. Overall, not too bad. To me, the best items in this entire kit, it's pretty much these three right here. The knife, the rag, and the cutting board. That's what I'll be using the most. These right here, really can't say that I will. Can't say that I won't, but I can't say that I will. Maybe throw them in my bag just to have them. Why not? This will go in the junk drawer. I mean, I might throw it in the tackle box, clip it somewhere on the canoe so I'll have it. That won't be used. Like I said, guys, check your clearance aisles. This was $15, and there's all kind of stuff in your clearance aisles. I mean, like I've told you before, think outside the box. Hope you enjoyed this little tidbit. I'm really enjoying the quality of video that's coming out of this new GoPro 8. I hope you're enjoying it as well. With that, like, subscribe, notification, thumbs up, of course. Download and share. Go over to Facebook. Check us out there, The Sweet Outdoors. And remember, guys, be safe. God bless. Get outside, people.